We guide you through how to use Samsung Wallet. First, open the Samsung Wallet app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you're opening it for the first time, sign in with your Samsung account and follow the on-screen setup instructions. Next, create a screen lock if prompted, then verify your identity using your fingerprint, PIN, or face recognition. To add a payment card, tap the plus icon, select Payment Card, and either scan your debit or credit card or enter the details manually. Follow the verification process required by your bank to activate the card. You can also add loyalty cards, gift cards, digital case, boarding passes, and supported IDs by tapping the same plus button and choosing the appropriate option. To make a contactless payment, unlock your phone, open Samsung Wallet if needed, select your preferred card, and hold the back of your phone near the compatible payment terminal until you see the confirmation. You can manage your cards, change your default payment method, and remove cards anytime from the app settings.